Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to open a coconut in a few minutes without drilling it and beating it up and having a hard time crack it open. So first you have to choose a coconut. The way you choose it, you pick up the coconut and you see if it's heavy. If it's light, then it's not a good coconut. If it's hard and heavy, that's what you're looking for. The other thing, you want to press on the eye here and see that they're not falling in. Sometimes you see in stores they're missing. One of the eyes, usually you can see it's not there, but they all have to be closed. And once you shake it, you should hear the water inside, like that. So if there's water and it's hard, it's heavy, and the eyes are in place, then it's a good coconut. You can use that. So first of all, you would want to rinse it from any mold and dirt on it, and then you're ready to start opening it. For this, you would need a meat mallet, you would need a knife, and you would need a jar. Okay, so now you get a coconut and you look at it. There are three eyes. Two of the eyes are hard and one of them are soft, that you can go on the inside and get the water out. To find that eye, you look at it and you see that there's two of them that look alike, and the third one doesn't look the same. So get a knife. This one looks different, and just try carving it in like this. Sorry for the noise. I know it doesn't sound good, especially in the video probably. Okay, here we have it, and there's a hole. That's what you're trying to get it more inside. Okay, there it is. Okay, just to show you, this one and that one won't do it. You can't break through. They're very, very hard. Only one of them soft that you can poke through. So once it's done, once you have a hole, you get your jar and try to get all the water out. And this is one of the conditions to make it easier for you. Get all the water out. Do not disregard the water. You can use that. You can make shakes out of it, or you can just drink it. It's very healthy and useful. Okay, let's see. It has more water in it. It's gonna take me a few more seconds thinking. All right, here we have it. Okay, now it's all out. Here's the water. Just gonna put it aside. We don't need it at this point. Okay. Okay, now I would need a mallet. Hold your coconut firm like this in your hand. There's that hole, and you wanna start heating right here in the middle. Okay, here you have it. Okay, let me just bang it a few more times. So just okay. Here it is. Nice and beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to peel it. How to get rid of that hard shell. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to try to separate that. You get your knife. Try to put it in between. Oop, that was very easy. Usually it takes a little bit more pressure, but here's the shell, and that's the coconut that you want to use. Okay, let me see this one, more harder. Here you have it. Here's the second part, and that's your coconut. So just rinse it and use it.